Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, life event, we've been discover Ghent heritage from the water. We admire this location because we feel free the Ghent historical and also the canal and also the weather is very fresh and smooth. Dito po sa Ghent ay hindi po siya mainit, hindi po siya malamig, tama lang po. Dahil sa ngayong weather, painit na ng painit mula nung nag-springtime, March 21. So, it's better location and kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, you can go by car, you can go by train, you can go by bus. Um, just take your itinerary. It's very easier. So if your first time here, um you need to get your itinerary, plan your travel, and you will easier to come here. um Now I'm with my family, my daughters, uh, holiday vacation. We've been here kasi magandang magandang location, tsaka maraming restaurant for all ages. Sa mga teenagers, sa mga matanda, bata, lahat po ng mga conveniences dito rin po. Sana po magkita-kita po tayo dito sa Belgium at at kung gusto niyo pong tulong, ako po'y handa para tumulong sa inyo. Salamat po.